If we ask ourselves how to deal with the challenge of poverty nowadays, I think the answer has to start with the correct understanding of the nature and destiny of the human person. When we understand that we have been made in the image and likeness of God with a transcendental destiny, we are made for heaven, this will transform the way that we approach this issue. Once we are clear of what each human being is capable of, once we understand that each person is a co-creator and has talents and capacities, we are inevitably going to turn to job creation as part of this solution, which is a model that is very different from the traditional welfare system that just attempts to provide donations to people on a long-term basis. So the solution has to do with job creation, but also an understanding of the foundations that are required for entrepreneurs to flourish. The interesting thing, I think, is that all of these foundations come from our tradition. And it's a treasure that people have to embrace and that have to discover, really, because it's a missing part right now in our educational systems. As we have heard, we were made free. And when institutions reflect our nature, countries prosper, people prosper. So it is crucial that our educational organizations, that society at large, we embrace these foundations, namely rule of law, the importance of private property, the importance of freedom of exchange, freedom of association, the key role that families, churches, and communities play under the very foundation of a culture of trust.